Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we have another case of bad installation on a roof mount DVD. Obviously, cost wise it's much cheaper than what we offer for install, but when you choose a lower cost installation instead of paying professional shop premiums, what you end up is a situation like this, that you have a roof mount that is not installed properly. The wires, the screws actually ripped off to the roof and fell on the passengers in the back. The whole time, obviously, every time you go through bumps and everything, the whole thing is shaky because it's not mounted properly. You just mounted to a liner. Liner is just a piece of fabric that with time gets easily ripped off, and every bump you will see the shaking. In the back here we see the original light. This one is mounted properly in the vehicle because it goes to there's a bar, roll-up bar. This is where you should have the roof mount installed. So if you need to remove this and do a proper job, nice and clean, that's how it should be. Fortunately, again, when you find lower cost installs, you find someone who does what they know, easy, and that is what the case. Now what's gonna happen now is we're gonna move it properly to the right place. Unfortunately, the customer will already have holes from the previous installation. There's nothing we can do about that except for replacing the whole liner, which is very costly, so we're not gonna do that. For proper installation, you can always call Car Systems, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.